Hello friends, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Our lesson today is about the border radius. And before we start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, like this video and share the video with your friends. And let's start with our lesson. So I have this element here which shows like this. I change the background and then determine the width, height, margin left and the margin top to look like this. So what is the border radius? Border radius which you can cut from the edges of the any element you want. So let's use it practically. Let's write our property which is the border radius. This is the border radius. So when you write the border radius directly, so it will cut from the all edges of the element. And also we can control with the each edges of the element that we have. So now let's determine the 20 pixels. How you notice it cut 20 pixels from all the edges of the element. And the greater number 50 pixels, how you notice, and then you can make it 100%. How you notice, this is the shape of the element when we make it 100%. And when we make this one 100 by 100, it will look like this. And let's delete this one to control the edges of the element. So we have the border radius top left, border radius top left. So this one we will cut from this edge only. For example, I will cut 40 pixels from the top left. How you notice it cut from the top left only. And then the border radius top right, border radius top right, I will cut the 20 pixels. How you notice cut 20 pixels from the top right, and we have the border bottom left radius, this one, and let's determine the 20 pixels. Notice it cut the 20 pixels from the bottom left. And also we have the border right bottom radius, which is this one. So let's cut this one, the 100 pixel. How you notice it shows like this. And when I make this one 0, which is the top left, I'll make it 0 pixel, and then this one 0, I'll make this one 100 and this one 100, which will look like this. And then you can use any shape you want. Let's make this one 0. How you notice it looks like this. And here I think we finished our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope every information are clear for you. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, like this video and share the video with your friends. And thank you so much for listening.